Okay.
We were sent this inflatable slide and water park, and it is so cool. So here's how you set it up. First of all, you can have it with the water on or with the water not on. To set it up, just lay it out flat, and then you're going to attach the blower, which comes with it. Super easy to attach this. Then just turn it on, and it inflates in a matter of seconds. If you decide you want to have the water feature going, you just run the tube along it. There's Velcro and there's straps. It's really intuitive. And then you attach the hose and the water comes out.
It's a pretty cool day and my kids are still having a blast with the water on with this, but you don't need to have the water. It's also fun just as a bouncer. And you could put some balls in there. You could do all kinds of fun things.
Plus it comes with a few water shooters, which is a lot of fun for your kids to play with. The climbing area to the slide has holes and straps, which are pretty easy to use for children. The max weight on this is 308 pounds, so about 3 to 4 kids, and each kid should be less than 100 pounds. When it's wet, you'll see bubbles. That's totally normal.
This inflatable is amazing. I was really concerned it was going to be too big for our yard because we already have a ton of stuff back here, but it fits perfectly. I'm 5'8" and standing next to it, you can see it's just a little bit taller than I am, so at its highest peak right there. And then you have this awesome slide. You can turn the water on or not have the water on, and then it ends in this little pool here.
We think this is a lot of fun, and I think your kids are going to find it to be a lot of fun as well.